Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Hubballi made a humble beginning in the year 1965 in a rented building in Hosur. Then the school was being run in shifts due to acute paucity of space. Only in the year 1985 it was shifted to Rajnagar. The Vidyalaya has grown over the years in terms of size, strength, and formidable reputation. Presently, the school is functioning with 3 sections from class 1 to class 8th, 2 sections from class 9th to class 10th, and the senior secondary section with science and commerce streams with an enrollment of 1,353 students and 53 staff members. The enviable task of nurturing the talent of young hearts and minds and shaping their destiny by instilling sense of discipline, social justice, patriotic fervor, and humane characteristics is aimed to be achieved here.
Wall of Fame. This wall creates a sense of proudness among us because many of our schoolmates have excelled in variety of fields like stood top in class 10 and 12, achieved Rashtrapati Award in Bharat Scout and Guide movement, participated and secured position in national level sports hunt, also in Jawaharlal Nehru National Science Mathematics.
E-classroom is a place where learning takes place with the help of technology. Vidyalaya facilitates 15 e-classrooms with a computer, visualizer, projector, virtual learning pads and Apple iPads, which increases the grasping power of the students. Learning process becomes enjoyable. Students can learn and remember easily.
The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Our Vidyalaya is facilitated with 2 computer labs, one meant for primary and the other for elective subject with 45 workstations. Also, lab is equipped with proper power backup system. Here, updated computer language like Python is being taught with great depth and practical knowledge.
It's very well said. Believe in physics, believe in physics. Our physics lab is fully improvised with new apparatus which helps to get command over physics through experimentation. Physics teaches people to accept reality with admiration. It inspires students to develop a positive perspective towards physics.
Our chemistry lab is well equipped with chemicals and other apparatus to cater the needs of all the students up to class 12. It is also supported by a virtual lab which is used to conduct experiments on the board and observe the reactions. The lab inculcates curiosity and inquisitiveness in students. It plays a very important role in developing scientific temperament in our students.
Biology is the science of life. The laboratory provides the students with all sorts of facilities ranging from specimens to innovative smart boards. The laboratory is quite spacious. The lab consists of simple and digital microscopes for students to focus and study slides. Through experiments, students are able to gain knowledge and appreciate various first-hand concepts of biology.
This is Language Lab, which basically contains 30 computers provided with internet facility and interactive software, Wordsworth. This software helps children to improve the grammar as well as to improve their reading, listening and speaking skills to excel their English language.
यह हमारे विद्यालय की पुस्तकालय है। पुस्तकों से यह भरी पुस्तकालय तो देखो, यह हमारे विद्यालय की जान है। यहाँ पर रखी गई हर किताब अपने पन्नों को खोलकर हमारे सामने रख देना चाहती है। हमारे विद्यार्थी इस पुस्तकालय का खूब उपयोग करते हैं। यह हमारे विद्यालय का कला कक्ष है। बच्चे कला कक्ष में अपनी कला को प्रदर्शित कर अपनी थकान को मिटा लेते हैं। हमारे विद्यालय का यह कला कक्ष अपनी सुंदरता से किसी का भी मन मोह लेगी।
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Music is refreshing, music is authentic, and its effect is amazing. All basic musical instruments like Tabla, harmonium, keyboard, congo, drums, etc. are made available to the students.
If it moves, it's biology. If it reacts, it's chemistry. And if it works, it's physics. With this thought, students of class 6 to 10th are imparted practical science knowledge to satisfy their curiosity about science. Many activities are helping to improve scientific temper among students. This is the room where students' creative and innovative ideas are groomed. This helps them to get confidence to participate in science exhibition and bring laurels to the school.
Mathematics is the queen of all sciences. We in KV1 Hubli are hallowed to have a well-equipped mathematics lab where all our apprehensions about the subject are dispelled by our teachers. We are trained to connect math with real-life situations. The various activities that we perform and the effective use of technology have opened up new horizons for us.
वो विद्यालय ही नहीं जहाँ क्रीड़ा कक्ष ना हो। हमारे विद्यालय के क्रीड़ा कक्ष में हर प्रकार के इंडोर और आउटडोर खेलों को नई सामग्री रखी गई है। बच्चे क्रीड़ा कक्ष से खेल के सामान जैसे क्रिकेट का बल्ला, गेंद तथा अन्य चीज़ों को लेकर मैदान में भरपूर योगदान देते हैं।